Recently, Mcdodo released its next generation 65W GaN charger, which integrates the powiGaN chip from Power Integrations. Many audiences asked us to take apart a Mcdodo charger, so here we go. The packaging continues the Mcdodo's traditional color, orange and white. The product and some features are also printed on the front, and the close-up pics and specs info are on the back. Just to take out the charger looks like a black lipstick, and it can be divided into two parts, glossy and matte. The new logo of Mcdodo is here, and the 65W is above the input prongs. The specs info is at the bottom. Model is CH-152. It supports input of 140 volts, 50 or 60 Hz, 1.5 amp, and the output can be up to 67 watts. You can pause to take a look. The input prongs can be folded, so you can take it with you wherever you go. The edge of the top surface is also glossy, and 3 USB ports are orange. The size of the charger is about 60.5 by 32 by 37.4 mm, and the weight is about 110 grams. ChargerLab powiGaN KM002C shows the USB-C 1 supports Apple 2.4 QC 3.0, AFC, FCP, SCP, PD 3.0, PBS protocols. It also supports 5 fixed PTOs of 5 volts, 3 amp, 9 volts, 3 amp, 12 volts, 3 amp, 15 volts, 3 amp, 20 volts, 3.35 amp, and a set of PPS. The USB-C 2 supports PD 3.0 PPS protocols and has the same PTO information as the USB-C 1. And the USB-A supports Apple 2.4 amp, Samsung 5 volts 2 amp, QC 2.0, 3.0, AFC, FCP, SCP protocols. After the brief introduction, let's take a apart and check what's inside. The top case is pretty easy to remove by spudger. The red and black wires are connected to the input PCB, and the entire PCBA module can be pulled out easily. The front and back of the module are covered with thermal pads, and the module is composed of multiple small PCBs to improve space utilization. We can see lots of silicon adhesives after removing the thermal pad. ChargerLab found it integrates 2 independent flyback switching power supplies, and the output voltage is controlled by the protocol chip to achieve dual-port independent fast charging. So there are 2 transformers on the front, and the powiGaN chip and bridge rectifiers are on the back. Next, let's introduce all components one by one. The input fuse is 3.15 amp, 250 volts. The green NTC thermistor is used to suppress inrush current. Common mode choke is wound with yellow and red wires. The safety X2 capacitor is from KYET Electronics, 0.1 microfarad. The X discharge resistors are on the back. 2 bridge rectifiers can form the half bridge to evenly dissipate it, marked with MSB40JL. 4 electrolytic capacitors are connected in parallel from SGEC, 27 microfarad, 400 volts, and 108 microfarad in total. The differential mode choke is wrapped with heat shrinkable tube. Here is the mass control chip, also called powiGaN chip. Model is Power Integrations INN3378C. It integrates PWM controller, MOSFET, Synchronous rectification controller, etc. The other mass control chip is INN3365C. They can work with large and small transformers to form 2 independent switching power supplies. The electrolytic capacitor can power the mass control chip from Junkang, 10 microfarad, 50 volts. Here are 2 transformers that correspond to 2 powiGaN chips. The SMD Y Capacitor is from TRX. The Synchronous Rectifier is from AGMSEMI and adopts DFN 5x6 package. The other rectifier is the same. 2 solid capacitors are used for output filtering. The larger one is from Reloncap, 820 microfarad, 25 volts, and the smaller one is from Shengyang Electronics, 470 microfarad, 25 volts. The protocol chip is also on the output PCB and from Injoinic IP2738. It's a dual-channel protocol chip which can control both output circuits. It also has the independent feedback control and supports 18 to 140 watts fast charging. There are 4 VBUS MOSFETs for USB-A and USB-C ports. They are from AGMSEMI and adopt DFN 3x3 package. 30 volts, 5.8 mA. Finally, 3 USB ports are soldered on the small PCB. Well, that's all components of this Mcdodo 65W 3-port charger. Unlike the secondary box circuits, this charger integrates 2 independent switching power supplies, which is more flexible. And also, it has 2 power integrations mass control chips and 2 transformers. The protocol chip can control 2 output circuits. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please drop a like, leave your comments, and subscribe to us. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!